how to turn on notifications on Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, tap on this three line icon. Here, you can see your profile name. Simply tap on your profile name and select My Account. So now, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the third, simply tap on Notifications. So here, you'll be able to find different categories too. So it's up to you, and now you can simply tap on them to turn them on. So there are different categories that you can customize as well. At last, you can go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.